Hi, if you're a therapist who knows you can genuinely help people, but you're frustrated by how difficult it can be to get potential clients to know you even exist, then you're far from alone. Because in today's very noisy, very competitive world, one of the biggest challenges for therapists is actually getting seen. And after all, you didn't train to become a marketer or a social media influencer. You probably trained to help people and to make a living in a way that feels like you're making a difference. And yet here you are, desperately trying to get noticed among all the other many therapists in your area. And you've probably tried things like directories and social media and leaflets and networking and referrals and endless other strategies. And it probably feels very confusing and not very effective at all. All you really want is a reliable flow of inquiries from people that you know you can genuinely help. And that's exactly why I've created this workshop. Over the years, I've generated literally millions of pounds in sales for my books and training and courses. I genuinely have no idea where that money went. Budgeting and managing money is not my strong point, but I do know how to get customers. And in this workshop, I'm going to show you a very practical, ethical, and sustainable way to attract more clients each week without feeling pushy, without feeling salesy, without being overwhelmed by technology. Just a simple strategy that helps more of the right people find you and trust you and contact you. So if you'd like more inquiries, more consistency and more confidence about where your next clients are coming from, join me on the workshop because I'd really, really like to help. And I'm really sorry about this shaky camera. I'm holding it at arm's length. Anyway, hope to see you on the workshop.